In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project from a template in Asana, 5 minutes. Open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, type in your email address and click Continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, you can follow that prompt. Otherwise, you'll be taken to the password screen. Enter your password and click Log In. A quick tip here. If you're on a shared device, make sure you log out when you're done to keep your workspace secure. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you'll want to start with a project that represents the workflow you plan to repeat. If you don't have one, create a new project and set up your sections, tasks, assignees, and due dates the way you like. This becomes the foundation of your template, so it's worth getting the structure right now. When your project is ready, open it. Look for the project's actions drop down at the top of the screen. Click it, then choose Save as Template. This tells Asana to capture the current structure of your project, things like sections, tasks, custom fields, and task descriptions, so you can reuse it anytime without rebuilding from scratch. You'll see privacy options for your template. Choose whether anyone in the team can edit the template or whether anyone in the team can use it. If you want to lock down the structure and keep it consistent, select the option that only allows people to use it. If you expect the template to evolve and want teammates to refine it over time, allow team edits. Pick what fits your governance style and click Create Template. When Asana confirms it's created, click Done. To find your template later, go to your Workspace sidebar and select My Workspace. From there, click All Work, then open the Templates area. You'll see your newly saved project template listed. This is your central library for repeatable workflows, so it's a great place to keep things clearly named and organized. Click your template to open it and make any final refinements. You can tweak titles, update descriptions, adjust custom fields, or add guidance inside task descriptions to help teammates use it consistently. When you're satisfied, click Done to save those changes. That's it. You've turned a well-structured project into a reusable template and know exactly where to find and edit it. From here, you can quickly launch consistent projects across your team, saving time and reducing errors every time you kick off similar work.